Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Right here click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list, and in the third line we have a button Disconnect. You need to tap on it, but before I tap on it I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, Disconnect leaves your device at the device list, and Unpair totally remove your device from your phone. So now let's tap at the Disconnect, and as you can see we stop Bluetooth connection, but we still have it at the device list, so we can reconnect if we need it in the future. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!